Welcome all of you. Today in this video, we are discussing about how to score more than 50 marks in mathematics in TS MCET. Now we discuss topic wise. First one, mathematical induction. In mathematical induction, they will give one question. We can do easily. They verification method or divisibility model or remainder. In functions, they will go two to three questions. The questions, one question compulsory, domain problem, and the other one is inverse or one onto that type. In matrices, they will go minimum 3 questions, maximum 4 questions. In these 3 questions, one determined problem, the other one is equation solving, the third one is for finding rank or transpose, symmetric and skew symmetric, inverse, like that. Now, most important topic is vectors. In this topic, we get easily more than 5 marks out of 6 marks. Or dot product, cross product, and plane equation, vector triple product, scalar triple product, shorted distance, and plane equation, all these. In total trigonometry, they will give total 9 marks. Out of this, major part is from properties of triangles, 3 marks, and hyperbolic functions, 1 question easily, trigonometric equation, 1 question, inverse trigonometric, 1 question. All these minimum we get 4 to 5 questions easily. Complex and De Moivre's theorem. In these complex numbers, we can find mod amplitude form and a square root, and using De Moivre's theorem, cube roots of unity, fourth roots of unity, and all these problems we get easily. Minimum 3 questions we can do easily. In quadratic expressions, they will go 2 questions, range problems, and maximum value, minimum value, and positive, negative, and 2 equations they will give common roots. We get easily minimum 1 mark. In theory of equations, the relation between roots and coefficients, 1 question, multiple roots or AP, GP roots, and repeated roots, all these based on 1 question. In partial fractions, we get easily all the type using that types. From binomial theorem, they will give in first part 1 question, the number of terms are numerically greatest term or middle terms, and binomial coefficients, 1 question easily, sum of the binomial coefficients, sum of even terms of x, sum of odd terms of x, and infinite series for rational index. They will go 2 questions. We can do easily 1 question. From permutations and combination, they will go 1 question from permutation, either rank problems or seating arrangements in a row or in cyclic. In cyclic. In combinations, they will give selection problems, any 1 question. You can do easily 1 question out of 2 questions. And probability and random variables and measures of dispersion, most valuable topic. They will go 7 marks, all main basic concepts using that only. So we can do easily minimum 4 to 5 marks from this topic. In 2D geometry, locus 1 problem and change of axis 1 problem. From straight lines 2 questions and a pair of straight line 2 questions. We can do easily minimum 4 to 4 questions. In 3D geometry, we can do all 3 questions because this is easy based on concepts. 1 question from planes and 1 question from 3D concepts and 1 question from DCs and DS. And limits and continuity, they will give 1 problem from limits and 1 problem from continuity. So we can do easily these 2 more questions. From differentiation, using the types and UV rule, U by V rule, and exponential models, and all logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric function, derivatives, using all these. They will go 2 questions. We can do easily minimum at least 1 question. Application of derivatives in this topic, errors 1 question and rate measure 1 question. They will go sometimes tangent normals 2 questions. In tangent normals we can do easily, and maxima minima 1 question. Sometimes they will go using mean value theorems. Out of 3 questions we can do minimum 2 questions. In integration and definite integrals on areas, they will go 7 questions. we can practice. But because this is in second year, we have some idea about integration. Definitely we get minimum 4 marks. And differential equation, sometimes they will go 3 questions, sometimes 2 questions. Mainly 1 question from linear equations, the other from order and degree and formation of differential equation or variable separable or homogeneous. You can do easily 2 questions because with the help of the concepts in circle, second year geometry, circles and system of circles, they will do 3 questions. Out of these 3 questions, 2 questions from circles, 1 question from system of circles. In system of circles, they will do mainly orthogonal circles and angle between the circles and intersection of the circles. And circles, they will give locus problems, 2 circles stretches internally, externally, number of tangents, common tangents, and length of common tangent, a angle between the pair of tangents, and all these. Out of 3, we get easily 2 questions. And the last one is conic section. In this conic section, they will give in parabola 1 to 2 questions, and ellipse 1 to 2 questions. In hyperbola 1 question. Total, they will give 4 to 5 questions. Out of these 4 to 5, we can do easily minimum 2, maximum 4. So total, out of all these topics, we get definitely more than 50 questions using all these our concept based questions. So wish you all the best for tomorrow. From tomorrow we have TS MSET, all the best. So using all these MSET mathematics, we use more than 1.5 hour use, we get definitely more than 50 marks. Out of 3 hours, 1.5, we take 1.5, minimum 1.5 hours we take for the mathematics. And this is for mathematics. We take 1 hour for chemistry. In mathematics, we get more than 50 marks. In chemistry, 25 plus. We use half an hour for physics because in generally, most of them are feeling difficulty in physics. So we take half an hour. Minimum we get 10 plus. So in 50, 25, 10, that means we get more than 85 marks. Definitely, we will join in top 10 colleges, all of you. Wish you all the best from our CSR Academy, Chaitanya Puri. Thank you.